Hey guys, so windshield is dirty again. Trust me, we did have it dead clean. I did take a really close photograph of this side mirror right here, like this. It's gonna be on my Instagram, but I can't hold this that steady, so I'm gonna zoom out before you guys get sick. But Quinn over here is
you too.
He's driving back to Temple, and then from Temple we're going to Lancaster, Texas. As you can see, he is pretty darn thrilled, and just look at these views out here, guys. Pretty darn thrilled because he is done on his 200 hours, and it looks like he's going to go straight to the Walmart account over here in Lancaster, Texas. So he's going to be on and off my videos a few times. And so we're going to be able to keep tabs of him. Unlike my two other students, you know, one of them is up in New York, my first student. Second one actually moved on to a different company with a friend. So he's no longer with Swift. And then the other two guys, I have no idea where the hell they went. I really don't care. But Quinn's been on my truck from day one all the way through. You know, he's happier than a bug in a rug.
Hey. I'm ready to get my truck, cuz. As soon as I get my truck, I'm gonna upload a video. And I'm gonna send a link on Stephen's page. So check out my truck. I'm almost 100% sure it's gonna be a Freightliner, but we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Well, you had a chance to take a look at the 2016 Freightliner. What was your thought of it compared to the KW?
It's not as flashy. Of course, it's a couple years older, so it's not gonna be. But I expected it to be smaller inside. I don't know why. It just looks small from the outside, but it's not. It's pretty much the same size in there. Same size in there.
That's what she said.
She didn't say that with me, player. Yeah.
Dude, there's nothing small about you.
Damn right.
I am like a brother from another mother. You couldn't tell. Our skin color is different. But like brothers, we've been sitting here fucking with each other the entire time he's been on my truck. So it's been a pretty fun trip. You know, the 200 hours, you know, it's gone by pretty quick. At the same time, it's gone by slow. There's been a few different times. If you're ever watching the Instagram page, we went out. We actually had a good food. We hit up... what was that state? Texas Roadhouse. Okay. I can't believe I can't.
Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah.
Well, hey, that stuff right there was the bomb.
Yeah, it was.
That was a good steak right there.
And then we also did Golden Corral and some of the other things. You know, this boy over here has never been to Golden Corral, so he had a little bit of experience with that. So, man, you know, since he got in my truck from being on an airplane, going to the ocean, being in the sand, and eating at Golden Corral, and being in Texas, he did a lot of firsts on my truck, and learning how to drive. I don't care if you go to school or not. You don't know how to drive until you get out in the real world, and he'll agree with you 100-fold on that.
Yeah, putting a trailer between cones on the course is a lot different to putting it in a dock or putting it in between two trucks or trailers. It's a slight difference, you know. When you hit a cone, you know, you hit a cone, but when you have the possibility of hitting somebody's $150,000 Peterbilt or Kenworth, it changes things a little bit.
You gotta go up on that price.
Get out and look.
Get up on that price.
About 200,000?
Some of them, yeah.
Ooh, hey, moral of the story. Practice, get out and look. Don't hit nobody's truck.
Yeah, if they have like custom colors, and
they will put you on Twisted Trucker.
Oh yeah.
They will put you on Twisted Trucker.
And if
you don't want to be there.
If you got like chrome and stuff, yeah, those trucks get expensive. I don't even need to go into all that. You guys know some of that. But you know, I did a video a couple days ago talking about a vehicle that I felt like caused a collision. If you guys want, I can put the link in the description. But didn't get any video footage. It was actually a severe accident I saw when I was going down the road. This pickup truck heading northbound on, I ain't gonna say the road, because I'm pretty sure the family has been notified now. It was like 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, something like that. And the pickup truck wasn't paying attention. is what I'm guessing. He had no trailer, no nothing. But veered off the road and somersaulted the cab. I mean, the roof line was pushed down where the pickup bed was, and it was like squished down to where the windows were barely visible. And the fire department and ambulance people, they weren't moving very fast at all. So it don't look very good. You know, when you're out on these roads, you know, you think you got a wide open country road with nothing but, you know, open highway. I see a lot of people, they want to twitch that gas pedal, they want to open it up, and they want to take off like a bat out of hell. Guys, please, you know, especially teenagers, you're not, you know, a NASCAR driver, okay? These roads are not meant for that. I mean, can you get away with it 100 times? Yeah, most likely. But it's that one time you ain't going to. And I've seen too many accidents lately. Either that truck or there was another vehicle. It was 2 cars, T-bone. I didn't see enough of that to really be able to make a judgment on what from what, but somebody ran a red light. I mean, it's that clear. Somebody ran a red light. Which one was it? Who knows? But, you know, when you get into a vehicle, you're really taking some chances. Anyway, going back to a YouTube subscriber, he posted a comment. I don't remember his name offhand. I should have looked it up before making this video. But he had asked me some questions between dedicated account, regional, and OTR. I'm actually going to sit down and actually do a video kind of breaking each one down and talking about it, pros, cons, money, this, that, all the information that pertains to Swift in my personal experience. You know, I do want to make note, I do not speak for Swift. So, you know, I'm not a recruiter, I'm not any of that. I am going to try to get a recruiter for my YouTube channel for all you guys to use. But in the meantime, you know, I'm just a guy that is sharing my experiences in Swift, both good, bad, and indifferent. And if you guys watched my other video that I posted not that long ago where I show you my pay stubs, I make money. So I must be doing something right? So anyway, I got that video coming up. I don't know if that will be made before I go on home time or after home time or during home time. Because once I drop him off, I'm going home. So, might have some more fishing videos for you. Or, not necessarily more. I had some, but I didn't use them because I didn't like them. But, yeah, anyway. Might have some fishing videos. So, see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Pound that like. Pound that subscribe. And, man, talking about pounding that subscribe, you guys have been doing a really good job on that. I've gained a lot of subscribers. Thank you so much. And see y'all in the next one. Yes, I do need to make my bed. I know.